Nyack Chamber of Commerce is inviting you to their Motorcycle Expo, Thursday, June 15, 2017, on Main Street in downtown Nyack. We'll be closing the whole village down to show you the best new motorcycles, vintage and antique motorcycles in the area. Sponsored by the Autobahn, Prestige Cycles, Hudson Valley Harley Davidson, Motorhead Motorcycles, Palisades Auto Sales, Hudson Valley Hogs New York Chapter for Gowie, and State Farm Agents. All brought to you by the Nyack Chamber of Commerce. Please come and support the Nyack Soup Angels by bringing a food donation, and our rain date is Thursday, June 22nd. See you there.
Welcome to a new world. Rockland World Radio. The premier internet destination for Rockland County's music, art, business, and culture. Reaching every online computer in Rockland and the world.